I'm a jazz musician. I play the piano and sing for a living. You've probably worked that out by now. And I run a few jazz clubs around Sussex. Over the years, I've played in many countries, over 50, and many situations. And the one thing I've learned is you can't be late for a gig, especially if it's a jazz club performance, a concert performance, or someone's wedding, or a corporate do, or whatever. That means you have to have reliable cars. Over the years, as a musician, like many jazz musicians, I've run some fairly dodgy little cars, but eventually I got fed up with it. I've worked with the nice people at Brooklyn Hyundai for a few years. We've done a few functions for them, even taking a grand piano and the band in to their new showroom to launch it, which was really quite something. Anyway, we talked. I told them about the problems I have with transport, and I've got to have reliable transport, and very kindly they did a sponsorship deal for us. So we now have an i30 and the award-winning IONIQ. They're amazing cars, they're really reliable, and it's removed a big stress from my life. Also, I'm a bit of an eco-warrior, so I like the hybrid credentials of the IONIQ particularly. The MPG is incredible. And really, all my friends think, yeah, that's great, and that's the way to go. The service and backup we've had has been really good, and so it's been really good for both businesses. So I highly recommend Brooklyn Hyundai.